3,700 on 3 levels located on a tranquil lakefront setting. Level lot leads over footbridge to deck, dock and swim area 6 to 8 feet cross the street to 55-acre private hiking trails. Walk to town location. Open floor plan. 3-sided fireplace viewed from FAM, living, kitchen all with lakefront access to outdoor decking with covered area and open space for entertaining. Formal dining, opt first floor office. Second floor 4-bedroom, bath, laundry room, walk-up attic. Spacious master suite, 2 double closets, vaulted ceiling, luxury spa bath jetted tub, separate shower and private deck overlooking the lake. Finished walkout basement host open recreation area for fitness center, game room and 15 feet built-in bar and full bath, or in-law opt. Slider to covered patio and hot tub overlooking plush lawn and lake. Hardy siding, stylish finishes.